Good morning. Well, sorry about the attire, but it's a bit chilly this morning. So, as I said, we're going to be fitting these rock lights to our camper van. I've got my dog Ralphie, the Italian Spinoni, helping us out somewhere. So we'll open the box up and see what's in here. So it's quite well packaged. This is the controller unit, which I'm going to be fitting in behind here with all the electrics, and then it'll come up through the floor and then link in with the switch unit here. I'm going to drill a small hole at the back and then link this into the power that's already in place. We've got a lot of screws and bolts and nuts and things for fastening the lights underneath. So I'm going to spread them out, work out where they all fit. They're quite heavy duty. Rubber mounts, so these fit like this, and then the line can fit like this, and then the line can come out whichever way desired depending on how you fit them. I'm going to be using cable ties or zip ties to fasten them to the bottom of the van, and then hopefully we'll have some cool coloured lights in the night. So hopefully next video I'll show you where I've sort of fitted them. So as you can see, we've done a quick connection to see if all the lights work where I've powered them into the van, and they're looking pretty good, nice and bright even in the daylight just under the van. So let's get them set up properly now and see what they look like in the night. So as you can see, the lights are all ready to go. They're all rigged up underneath all the different points on the car. One of them was slightly too short to reach all the way to the back, so that's being put in a slightly different place than all the corners. The box and everything will fit back under these covers and keep all the cables out of the way, and then we're ready to go. I don't know if you can see Ralphie in the back. He's been sitting patiently while I've been doing this. So I'm just tidying everything up. I'll drill the hole in the van to locate the switch, and we're all done. And then when it gets to night, I can set them up and see how they look.